Hello, guys. This is going to be the office tour. Bro, you don't even ask me if you can get in. You're just
Nah,
walking in.
you just too rude to that. Don't worry. Just go. Show the office.
All right. So, first things first, when you walk in, obviously, you're greeted by the very comfortable and, creative space that we have here. But before we go there, let's start from this side. So, this is like a section for, let's say, influencers. If you're like an influencer or whatever, you want to set up your camera here and just record some videos. The thing that is crazy about this place is the view. Obviously, as you can see, mountain view, skyscrapers, or tall buildings, no skyscrapers, but mountain view is really sick. Then here, coffee, if you're a coffee drinker, water dispenser, another nice table here. We have just lovely spaces for you to record. Right now we're shooting content for my brand and 10,000. So we have his merch on the floor because we have some ideas that we are shooting with this. But if you come over to this side, still more area for content, and we have this antique sword, bro. I think it's made from ceramic. I don't know where it's from. Could be from Italy, could be from Spain, who knows. And the table is also a mirror, which is sick. Shout out to Mo behind the camera. Still, the view is like a wraparound, so everywhere you go to, lovely view. Then let's go to the next section. We have some of my stuff here, and just as I showed you guys, 10,000 is the person doing some of his, like he's taking some pictures for his brand. Then over at this side, we have the receptionist desk, which is not around right now, but usually she would greet you. Then we'll come to the meeting room. So we have to be a bit quiet in the meeting room. Usually, things that go on here are things that are very important. And as you can see, maybe we'll blow out a little bit, but just important work stuff going on. And this is the man, the myth, the legend. You want to say hi? Let me chill. You want to say hi? Introduce yourself a little bit, just two lines.
Hello, everyone. What else do you want me to say?
You just say your name and
Yeah,
your
I am.
place.
Actually, we don't like plastic around here, but we have to use it. I'm Mustafa, the founder of Dojo Digital Space. We also have a digital marketing company and a co-working space within the same place. And we are looking forward to build a huge community here and have a lot of new projects starting from Dojo. And we will be very happy to host all of you guys here.
Thank you very much. Thank you. All right, now we'll go to the next side in the office tour, which is going to be the podcast room. Over here, if you have, podcast, usually for people that like to yap, you can sit down here and yap for 1 hour straight. And we have the light here. Kumsal making her own content. Sorry to interrupt you guys. But yes, this is the office of the boss, the founder, the CEO. So, out of respect for him, I don't think it's proper if we do the two of that. But that's how the office looks. Then, this place, yes, the story behind this is a QR that if you wear VR glasses. So, maybe if you wear VR glasses and you watch this
That'll be a
video,
portal. That'll be a
yeah,
portal to
portal
another.
that will take you to like a
Yes.
digital world.
But you have to test it with VR.
Yeah. So if you have VR glasses, try it on this video. Maybe it will work. Then more office space. This is still like an office space. We have the Prada, Tom Ford, Chanel books there. Then still another section where you could record or you just create your space all around. Then still everywhere, lovely view. Then finally, the most uninteresting part, the kitchen. But Mo likes to eat, so this is favorite part of it. Then the toilets, and yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Thank you guys for joining us in this office tour, and it's been lovely having you guys here.